Okay, to start this whole experiment off, I did already boil the cabbage for about 10 minutes. Mine did have a little bit of a blue effect because I did get a purple cabbage that was kind of picked over at the grocery store, but I'm hoping that it still gives me the same effect as the other one would. But after I already did that, I already set out my cups and everything for all the things I'm going to test. Today I'm going to test baking soda, vinegar, and I don't have lemon juice, but I do have lime juice, and I heard that it does give you the same effect as lemon juice. So to start it off, I am going to get 1 teaspoon of the cabbage juice and put it into my cups. And like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons because I don't feel like 1 teaspoon is enough. So I am gonna add a little bit more because I don't believe that I did add enough, and then a half cup of water to dilute it. And then to start off, I'm going to add the baking soda. Which did turn the water slightly blue. And then next I am going to add my vinegar. Which turned the water a light pink. And then for my last one, I am going to add the lime juice, which should turn it a purpley pink. And this one ended up a little bit lighter pink, but when all compared next to each other, this one does have a lighter color compared to this, the one that was used with vinegar, and then the one with baking soda is blue. And then for our next step, we are going to set up 2 cups, which I have right here. And we are gonna put 1 tablespoon of our indicator. And again, I'm going to add a little bit extra because I don't believe that I did add enough. And then I'm going to get 1 cup of water. And that sucks as an angle. Alright, now we're going to pour 1 cup of water in there, which does make it a light blue. And then we will grab a straw. And we're going to blow bubbles into it for about, well, we're going to have to make 2 cups. I almost forgot. I'm so sorry. I just need to grab 1 more cup of water for it. Pour that in there. So, oops, that one did get a little bit more water than the other one, which I did not mean, but this one is going to be our control, and this one is going to be the one that we are going to blow bubbles in. So I blew bubbles for probably about like 3 minutes. And so our control, sorry, that's my cat, is like a light blue color, as where the one that I blew into did turn to a little bit of a light purple. I can grab a sheet of paper to show you guys the differences. As you can see, the control, which is on the left side, is a little bit blue, and the one on the right side is more purpley, which means that the carbon dioxide that I breathed did turn it more of a purple color and change the color compared to the control. And to answer those questions, for the first one, when carbon dioxide is being absorbed by seawater, chemical reactions occur that reduce seawater pH, I can't pronounce this word, carbonate ion concentration, and saturation states of biologically important calcium carbohydrate material, leading to chemical reactions causing ocean acidification. And then the second question, I believe that we should be concerned because with the carbon dioxide being absorbed by the seawater, it is causing sea life to die. Coastal and marine ecosystems are under stress from climate change. When ocean acidification pairs up with other climate impacts like warming waters, melting ice, and coastal erosion, pose real threats to the survival of many marine species. Ocean acidification makes it harder for species to bounce back. Many homes are affected, also like shellfish fisheries in places like the Pacific coast of the United States. Warming waters and ocean acidifications are expected to reduce the crab populations, the highest fishery in Oregon and Washington. With this being said, I believe that it is very important to worry about ocean acidification. But for my conclusion, I did believe that these were all going to change because they all did have different pHs, and I knew that the control was going to stay neutral because it is the control and it always stays neutral. And then I knew that when adding carbon dioxide that it was going to change it a different color, but I did not expect it to change it a purpley color.